devil whenever I wake up and get it. You know I walk straight through the fire. Mama told me if I wanna do better, then I gotta fill my heart up with desire. Look at my father whenever I'm getting that money, cause he's the one that I admire. Started the 303 when I was younger, we came from the mud and we built an empire.
Yo, my boy Rin just dropped, man. Yes, sir. My voice is a little bit razzled and dazzled. I got a little bit of agua, you know, to get me through. And whoa! Oh my God, I'm struggling. We gonna get it though, man. I can't miss new music. That's a fact. I can't. I'm solo this time, baby. Just because nobody's available, man. And I gotta tap back in, man. I had to reevaluate my friends. Nah, I'm joking. Let's get it written. Uninvited. Lyrics is in the bottom, right? In the comment section.
You came in uninvited, two planets collided. I don't really like it being on my own.
Yeah.
Take that how you like it. I don't really mind if you're still undecided. Please just know all I wanna do is get inside of the moment when it's right. And
yo, y'all gotta listen to Rin. He be talking about savage shit too. But it'd be metaphors. He know how to do, like, I just wanna get inside. Yeah, we could be talking about that. I'm probably talking about that too. But come on, we try to the stars and the moon, baby. We try to. This shit too good already. Let's go from the top. Oh shit. All right, let's go.
You came in uninvited, two planets collided. I don't really like it being on my own. Take that how you like it. I don't really mind if you're still undecided. Please just know all I wanna do is get inside of the moment when it's right and have a moment with no ties and then go.
Ooh, where'd it go?
Shake my fries. Make my orders supersize and multiply and then divide and get low. It's a simple situation with an obvious equation. You and me collaborating for the night. Leave no room for hesitation.
And you're talking about a quick little one night stand. You uninvited. Look, baby. It's so love, but it's just for the night. Okay, Red. Turn me up, shake the fries up.
And divide and get low. It's a simple situation with an obvious equation. You and me collaborating for the night. Leave no room for hesitation or for awkward conversation. Just enjoy the syncopation when it's right. You came in uninvited, two planets collided. I don't really like it being on my own. Take that how you like it. I don't really mind if you're still undecided. Please just know all I wanna do is get inside of the moment when it's right and have a moment with no ties and then go. Shake my fries, make my orders supersize, multiply and then divide and get low.
You gotta realize this is a bar. Listen.
Make my orders super.
Wait, what he says?
Shake my fries.
He says, shake my fries, make my order super size.
Make my order super size and multiply.
Then multiply, divide,
and divide.
There go. Oh, get up.
Get it. Read my mind, let's exist between the lines. Shooting past the stopping signs, moving fast, the stars align. And when you get some time, could you give some time? Back to mine with a glass of wine. And if I get in front, would you get behind? Could you do that thing I like? It's a simple calculation with an easy formulation. You and me fornicating for the night. Let me make my presentation in person on procreation. Let's forget all obligations and unwind. You came in uninvited, two planets collided. I don't really like it being on my own. Take that how you like it. I don't really mind it. You're still undecided. Please just know all I wanna do is come inside of the moment when it's right and have a moment with no ties and then go open wide. Make my order supersize, multiplying and dividing. Get low, get low, get low. I just wanna come together as two people in this moment.
Bags.
Sharing something beautiful. Shh. Don't speak.
Thank you, Rin. I'm about to send every girl this song, man. That's exactly how I feel. Whisper in your ear like, listen. Not even saying that, but whatever I'm saying, my whispers just sound good. Yeah, you know what? I just want to get you. Wow. His vocabulary on just talking about sex, he's just different. Different. And if maybe tonight I could get it. Yeah, I gotta go. Red, baby, you did it again. Let's go.
Oh no. Got too many people watching me. Bye.